Hello everyone. In today's video lesson, we're going to talk about prime numbers and we're going to write a program that generates these prime numbers. By definition, a prime number is a number greater than 1 that cannot be divided by any whole number other than itself. We're going to start by creating a new project, console application, click go, C++, click next, and I'm going to call this project prime numbers. And we're going to click next, click finish. On the left hand side, double click on sources, double click on main, and right after IOStream I'm going to include climits, and in main we're going to start by asking the user to enter a number. Check for prime numbers between the number A, enter A here, and we're going to leave some space, and I'm going to remove end of line so the user can enter it on the same line, and we're going to declare A long int A semicolon, and we're going to take A into our program, semicolon, and a second declaration for B, enter B here, and semicolon. Now we're going to declare a long int B semicolon, and we're going to take B into our program, semicolon, and right now we're going to declare a for loop for long int num, which is equal to 0, semicolon, and num is less than B. Actually, it's not equal to 0, it's equal to A, and num is less than B, semicolon, num plus, and right after we're going to open a curly brace, and we're going to declare a boolean value, bool check equals false, semicolon, and another for loop right after for long int I, which is equal to semicolon, I is less than or equal num divided by 2, semicolon, I plus, and right after we're going to check something. If num modulo I is equals 0, check will be equal to true, semicolon, and then we're going to break out of the for loop, break, and right after if check is not true, we're gonna see if num is equal to 0 or num is equal to 1, Then we're going to print nothing, because neither 0 nor 1 are prime numbers. End of line, semicolon. Otherwise, we're gonna print something. Cout num space is a prime number, space, end of line, semicolon. I'm gonna remove return 0, replace it by cin.get, open and close parenthesis, semicolon, and one more. cin.get, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. And now we're gonna build and run our project and see how it's gonna work. Click build and run. Okay, so right now we're gonna check between 0 and 20 and see the prime numbers between those two numbers. So the first thing we're getting is 2. 2 is a prime number. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Those are all prime numbers. They can only be divided by the same number. For instance, 2 can be divided by 2, and so on. And we're going to run it one more time and check between a larger number, let's say between 1000 and 1200. So these are the numbers between 1000 and 1200. And we're going to take a look at the code again. Here we go.